I have Jeff Runwick, CEO of Canntab Therapeutics, and Richard Goldstein, CFO of Canntab Therapeutics, both on Skype with me right now. How are you both today?
Excellent, thank you.
Thanks.
So last week, Canntab announced an important announcement with FSD Pharma. What can you tell me about this arrangement?
Well, it's pretty exciting, actually. We have FSD Pharma have almost a 3 million square foot licensed facility out in Cobourg, Ontario that they acquired from a party that acquired it from Kraft. Incidentally, we're going to be making tablets in the room where they used to make pudding.
Cool Whip, actually.
Cool Whip, yeah. So we're going to be going out there. We have some of our equipment we're taking out there. We're going to be building a sizable production line out there. And that'll give us the ability to manufacture product both for Canada and for international markets using FSD Pharma's raw material or raw materials from other people that we buy from or license to.
And Canntab would be operating under FSD's license as well.
That's correct. Canntab is in the process of getting its own LP license at the moment, but FSD Pharma have an R&D license. They're working hard to get their sales license. So in the interim, we're going to work together with FSD Pharma doing the R&D on some selective products that we haven't licensed to other companies as yet. And prior to us getting the license, FSD Pharma is going to use their distribution channel and sell it under their license as a partner with us.
I would add to that today in Canada, licensed producers are able to, or several of them are now, selling oil both in jars and in capsules, and so we bring that skill set to FSD Pharma. It'll be almost a turnkey for them. They'll provide us their oil, and we will make gel caps both on a regular release, instant release, if you will. And we even think we have something that we won't call necessarily extended release, but prolonged release, I think is fair.
That's correct.
So what's the timeline for Canntab actually getting in the facility and to start producing these gel capsules and tablets?
Interesting you asked that, because we're able to acquire modular manufacturing rooms, and given the fact the building's already built, we can almost like plunk these things down in the warehouse and get them ready for good manufacturing practices. So we expect to be in there before the end of the year doing our R&D on their raw materials.
I mean, just picture a massive building and walls and columns and support, but nothing built out. And rather than putting up drywall, et cetera, you almost move a manufacturing facility into that shell of a space, if you will.
Legalization is coming up October 17th. Do you have everything in place to prepare for that?
Well, we're trying. The problem that Canntab has right now is the tablets are still in regulatory approval stage. And on legalization, I don't think they're going to have the tablets already gone through their regulatory parts. So given the fact Canntab's more of a medicinally orientated company, we're moving along our path, and legalization is going to help a lot of people and all that. But our product's more positioned to the medical community.
I would add that to that, Jeff, that Health Canada and the new set of rules in the Cannabis Act have opened up the door and for this type of delivery mechanism. It's not approved yet, as Jeff just said, and we hope to get that approval both with our products with Emblem and our other products. But at the end of the day, they've made it very clear that if we can get to what I believe they meant was a pill form, a prescription form of dose, they would actually remove the 9% excise tax that's being charged on every dollar of sale, whether it be bud or oil, et cetera, et cetera. And so it's not exactly a DIN number per se that you would necessarily get insurance coverage, although clearly that's the ultimate desire, to get Health Canada approval and then ultimately to get insurance coverage for Canadians who need this medication.
Well, it seems like a very exciting path ahead. We'll be following very closely with your arrangement with FSD Pharma and seeing how everything progresses. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Christine.
Thank you.